Hey folks! Hey folks, Johnny here. This is just a quick video to let you know it's time to sound that new swag klaxon again. But today it's for my own swag. You can now buy Greyskull Analytics merch. Now I may be biased, but I think the Greyskull logo is pretty kick-ass. It was designed for me by a tattoo artist called Dave Wynn, who's based in northwest England. You've probably noticed I'm quite heavily tattooed myself, and I've been a customer of Dave's for several years now. If you're into tattoos or tattoo themed art, you can check out Dave on Instagram and his shop, Market Quarter Tattoo. With tattoo shops being closed for most of 2020, when I needed a logo for my website, I asked Dave if he'd be interested in designing something. And what he came up with was beyond my expectation. I think it'd be a missed opportunity if I didn't put such a great design on some t-shirts. So I've set up a shop on Spreadshirt. I will of course put a link in the description, but the next easiest way to get to it is to jump on greyskullanalytics.com and navigate to the shop from there. There are currently 4 designs available. Firstly, the Greyskull logo. But as I'm sure some of you have already realised, some of the inspiration for the Greyskull Analytics name comes from the 80s kids cartoon show He-Man.
By the power of Greyskull!
So there's a couple of slogan designs on there too, featuring some Power BI He-Man puns. And of course, as currently modelled by me, we've got the Hey Folks design, which I'm sure you'll get the reference for. All 4 designs are available across a range of products in both men's and women's sizing. So, there's t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, tote bags, even mugs and water bottles. And there's a North American site, so you folks on the other side of the pond can place an order too. This isn't about making money for me, it's just a bit of fun, so there's no markup on any of these products. Let me know what you think about them in the comments section. If you've got any other ideas for some designs or maybe some different products you want to see, drop me a note. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.